Starting March of 2024, all RSL C34E MKIIs include a new feature. The angled speaker baffle now comes separated from the mounting frame to allow for greater visibility during installation. After cutting your hole and pulling your speaker wire, place the C34E frame into your ceiling. Note that the magnet at the peak of the arched cutout in the frame will indicate the front of the frame and direction that the angled baffle will point once installed. We'll call this the front magnet. Use the front magnet to orient each C34E frame toward your main listening position. When pointed correctly, this will properly align the C34E's angled baffle. With the ideal orientation achieved, install the frame by simply tightening the 4 mounting screws. With the baffle removed, you can observe the corresponding mounting clamps rotate into place and tighten as the screws turn. Next, you'll attach the wires to the terminals on the back of the speaker baffle. Once connected, you're ready to install the baffle into the frame with the included screws. Place the baffle within the frame, aligning the front baffle tab with the front magnet referenced earlier. Now tighten the 4 screws affixing the baffle to the frame. Remember that the C34E tweeter can also be adjusted up to 15 degrees in any direction. Make sure to push only along the perimeter of the tweeter. Do not push on the dome. For very live spaces or rooms with low ceilings, try the -2 dB tweeter setting for a more enjoyable high-frequency listening experience. Once you've adjusted the tweeter to your liking, place the magnetic grill over the speaker until it holds in place. Now, take a deep breath and admire your work. You did it! Feel free to give yourself a pat on the back.